So we are at Cafe Good Luck, which is at the other end of Ferguson Road, correct?
Correct.
And this place is very famous.
Extremely famous.
And what kind of people come here?
All sort of people, film school students, the FTI is right here.
Okay.
And then you have Symbiosis, and you have Ferguson, and you have all of these colleges, and people from all over come here. So it's packed throughout the day, especially from breakfast to dinner.
Whole day it's packed.
FC Road is so much of a hangout spot that everyone, usually even walking distance, so everyone just hovers around for a meal. And this is where you get more bang for the buck, if you, know what I mean.
Now what's my budget over here?
150 to 200.
150 to 200.
Correct.
So we say 200.
Okay, let's give him 200.
Yeah?
Maybe this time, yes.
Thank you for your generosity. This is like, I'm very touched, Okay, 200 bucks it is. So let me see what I feel like ordering from here. And then you tell me whether I'm doing it right or wrong. Keema with egg sounds like a great idea. Keema, ghotala, whatever it's called. Which is 80 bucks. 80 bucks for that, 120 bucks left. So, mutton cutlet is not a bad idea.
It's not.
That's 70 bucks. So how much is that now?
That's 150 bucks.
150 bucks.
50 bucks to go.
50 bucks left. So I'll order some chapati, which is the cheapest. It's cheaper than the Rumalis. Now, I'm going to see what you guys are ordering. But if you don't mind, I'm just going to take a quick look around this place and come back. Okay. In the meanwhile, you'll decide what you'll want. There's like a Rumali roti happening one every 30 seconds. Butter chicken happening over here, kadai paneer happening over there, and I am happening right in the middle of everybody. So I think I shall go back to the table and see whether our food has come. Okay, so I've had a nice look around the kitchen actually, okay? And my food has already arrived. What are you planning to order?
I think we'll go with the Good Luck Special Boneless, which is 130 rupees.
That's a signature dish?
Yes, that's the signature dish of Good Luck.
Everybody eats it.
Everybody eats it.
Everybody eats it.
Okay.
We'll also go with the Tawa Gosht Green Masala because we're two people, we like to have a lavish dish because we're not obviously
And
restrained.
you've got a larger budget because of
Exactly.
being the two of you all.
Yes, and I think with rotis?
With roti.
4 rotis it should do.
Great.
We didn't order all this food.
Well, now I have to confess, I know it's great pretending to be a student and all that, but being a foodie and doing this show for a long time has a few advantages.
Okay.
I met the manager or whatever and he said he'll throw in a few extra dishes. He looked at my size and said, 200 rupees is not enough for this man.
So you're still technically inside the budget? That's what
We're
you're saying?
completely inside the budget. We're not paying for the rest of the food, so we're still inside the budget. It's keema with an egg beaten inside it.
Oh,
Try some. The cutlet's not bad.
yeah.
It's very packed with keema. It's a bit spicy. But I think for 200 bucks, this is quite a good meal, yeah?
Well, it is, even without knowing the manager, you must say.
True, even without knowing the manager. Only last thing left to try is the egg, which I'm going to do.
The egg chutney.
This beats mess food any day of the week,
Best food.
hands down.
The 200 bucks is not basic. It's just for one person. When you come as a group, you don't spend that much.
You don't spend that much money. You
Yeah,
spend
it's
much
like a
less.
family meal, like a
Great.
potluck. Everybody orders one.
About 400 bucks, 4 people can eat happily.
Yeah, happily.
Great. I think we've had a fantastic meal over here. I'm going to attempt to eat a little more and then we've got to go elsewhere. One more place left, yeah?
Yep.
Evening snack.
Yeah.
Okay, let's finish this food off.